Hello friends, in this video I will demonstrate you the Apollo connector. So let's move into the application app. So first of all you need to install the Apollo connector, the latest version of the Apollo connector that you will be able to download from the Odoo app store. So install it first. So I have already installed, so let's update it the latest version. So click on the upgrade. So Apollo, the latest version has been installed now. So move into the CRM application and go into the configurations, and here is instances. Click on the instances and you need to create a new instance here. So we can name it anything, and you can copy the URL from here or the exact wording by the Apollo. So API key, we need to put the API key that would be available in your Apollo account. So let me open my Apollo account. Now go to the developer.apollo.io, and here in the API key, create a new API key. So I have created a new API key. So just copy this API, and this API key will use for the connection. So let's go back to the Odoo. I will provide the API key. Now click on the test connection. Okay, so click on the test connection. Okay, so the connection to Apollo was successful, and click on the confirm. Now the connection has been established, and we can see here the different operations are available: import operations and export operations. Now let's review each operation one by one. The first operation is the import stages. So it will import all of the stages for the deal stages, the account stages, and the contact stages. All of the stages will import, and if the stages are not created, it will create the new stages. So let's click on this import stages. So I click on the import stages. Okay, and now the date has been updated, the time has been updated. So import, after the import stages, let's move into the stages and we'll see the stages of the deal has been imported. So so here these are the stages imported from Apollo. So let me click on this one. Okay, see, you can see the Apollo ID is there. So the stages having the Apollo ID, that means imported directly from the Apollo. So negotiation, this is also the Apollo ID, and go into the configuration. These are the new objects, the contact stages. So Apollo ID is there. So these are all of the stages imported from the Apollo, and account stages. These are the stages imported from the Apollo account stage. Now go back to the instances, click on the Apollo. Okay, now first we will import the contacts. So here I click on the contacts, instance is there. Now there is the stages, all of the contact stages that we have imported. So we can select here one or more stages we can select to import the contact of these stages. So here is the pages and record per page. So if there are 90 records, so it will import the first page of the 30 records. If you want to import all the records, then you can change the record per page to 90. So all of the 90 record will import. Otherwise, you need to re-import this one, and you can go with the second page the next time. Okay. So here there are only few records. Is there import contact? Click on the process. So the contacts have been imported. So go back to here the sales and the customer. So here in the list view, I will apply the here the group by, the create by, and see, you can see the 39 records has been imported from Apollo. So I click over here. So these are all contacts imported from Apollo. So these are all the records. Okay, the associated accounts with each contact will also imported. Now go to the instances and Apollo, and here is the import account. So I will click on this one, import accounts. Instance is Apollo and stages. So here I'm also selecting the code and then click on the process. So the contacts has been imported now. So go into the customers and here, okay, so apply add a customer group create by, okay, now the 60 record has been created, the contacts and the account. So if I click any of the contact or the individual records. So you can say the Apollo now created. From the Apollo user, it will create all of the imported records. So now move back to CRM and then go into the instances. Apollo, now the last one is the import deal. So I click on this one, import deals, Apollo, and here new leads, no update. That means only the new deals will create, the existing leads will not be updated from Apollo. So I click on this one. Yes, new leads I only want, and create account means the associate account will create in Odoo or not. So I click on this one and click on the process. So here click on the process and the deal is being imported. Now go back to the my a pipeline. So here let's move into the list view, and here I'm going to apply the uh, group by, the create by, and remove the my pipeline, and you can see here the 30 deals has been imported from Apollo. So here click on this one and pricing for 25 dash, and these are the you can see over here the Apollo now imported from the Apollo these lead. So this is the operation for all of the import operations to import different objects from Apollo. Now review the export operation. So if you want to export the contacts and the leads in bulk, so you can use this option. Otherwise, we have the option to export directly deals and the contacts from the menu. So let's move into the My Pipeline. Here, let's create a new opportunity. So here, list view, in the list view, I'm going to create a new opportunity, a new test opportunity, and let's say 2002. And here I am going to create a new customer. So here I am moving this stage meeting booked, and then create a customer. Here I am going to create a new customer 2002. Let's say here I have created. Now click on the internal link for the customer. I'm going to maintain the phone number 92010101 and something like that, and plus 9233302022, whatever here I have mentioned, and here customer 2002 at example.com, www.odoo.com. So I have maintained this the company. Okay, and save this one. Now go back over here, and the other information I'm going here, expected revenue, let's say the 500 USD dollar, and this is the testing. internal nodes. So this has been created. Now in the action menu, there is a option, the sync Apollo. So when I will click on this one, it will show you create update deal. Let's move into the list view. Here is the all. I have an option to import multiple to export multiple leads simultaneously from the synchronized Apollo. So currently we have only this one that is to this one. So let's go into the action and synchronize Apollo. So we are going to export this opportunity. Click on this one, the process. So it has been exported now into Apollo. So now check this one into Apollo. So go to the Apollo account. So here is the deals. Uh, this is the deal. So here, okay, so you can see the deal. The company has been imported from Odoo 202500 is the budget and the state is meeting board. Click on this one, the company. Okay, the also the account has been imported. Way we have option to export the customers or the companies. So go back to the list view and I am going to this one, creating a new company. Let's say test company. Okay, and 2003 the company and here mobile number plus 92 0303 and this one plus 92 you know uh, this one and here test company 2003 at example.com and test company 2003.com. This is and here we will maintain the address as well. So main Boulevard, okay, and office number 2003. City is Lahore, and here I am going to mention the Pakistan. Okay, and let's save it and add one of the record here. So contact name is Muhammad Ahmad. I have mentioned and the email Ahmad at testcompany.com, phone number 92 whatever here the plus 92347. So these are records have been maintained, save and close, and save this one. Now two new record I have created. So let's send it to the Apollo. Search this one. I will select this one. One record the account will create, and the second one the contact will create in Apollo. So in the action I will click on the sync Apollo and from here Apollo click on that. Now click on the process and these two record have been exported to Apollo. Now check in the Apollo. So here is click on the contacts and here you can see the account has been imported into Apollo. So this is the contact that we have sent from Odoo, and here you can see the Muhammad Ahmad. Also, the contact has been imported into Apollo from Odoo.